6 wolves were about to end a life that had barely begun, circling a defenseless baby bear in the deep snow. My heart stopped as they closed in for the kill. But then my Saint Bernard charged into the white abyss like a guardian angel, scattering the pack in a single roar of fury. We found the cub shivering and broken, rushing him to the vet to save his mangled paw before bringing him home to heal by the fire. For days, my giant dog became his shadow, sharing his bed and nursing the tiny creature back to health in a display of loyalty that defied every law of nature. But the peace ended when a massive shadow appeared at our window. His mother had finally found him. Watching them walk back into the wild was the hardest goodbye I've ever said, but it was the only way to finish what started when 6 wolves were about to end a life.